It's not hard to imagine that life would have been far more terrifying if dinosaurs were still around. However, Earth was once home to creatures even larger and more menacing. From gigantic snakes and oceanic beasts to strange creatures that seem straight out of a nightmare. Let's dive into some prehistoric animals that were even scarier than dinosaurs. Imagine a creature from the depths of prehistory with a jaw like a buzzsaw, slicing through the murky waters of ancient seas. This was Helicoprion, an extraordinary shark-like predator that lived around 290 million years ago. Unlike anything in today's oceans, Helicoprion had a unique spiral arrangement of teeth that gave it a terrifying appearance. These spiral teeth, embedded in its lower jaw, formed a kind of saw blade that could tear through flesh with ease. The spiral shape of its teeth was ideal for cutting through the tough bodies of its prey, making Helicoprion an apex predator of its time. Its powerful bite and unusual dentition made it one of the most formidable marine predators ever to live. This prehistoric terror prowled the ancient oceans, hunting anything it could catch with its formidable spiral teeth. Picture a creature that could efficiently slice through the tough hides of its prey, including large fish and other marine creatures. The sheer efficiency of its unique dental arrangement made Helicoprion a top predator of its era. Imagine a colossal, elephant-like animal, but with a trunk that looked more like a shovel than the familiar appendage we know today. Platybelodon had large, flat tusks that extended downward from its jaw, which it used to dig up vegetation and strip bark from trees. Its unusual mouth structure allowed it to feed in ways that no modern animal can, making it a unique herbivore of its time. This peculiar adaptation might seem strange, but it was incredibly effective for its environment. Its size and feeding habits made it a formidable presence in the prehistoric landscapes it inhabited. Platybelodon's massive shovel-like tusks were ideal for uprooting vegetation and accessing food sources that other animals could not reach. Its impressive size and strength made it a dominant herbivore in its environment, able to manipulate its surroundings with its powerful jaw and tusks. The sheer scale and function of Platybelodon's unique anatomy made it a remarkable and imposing figure in the ancient world. Now, let's turn our attention to Andrew's Arcus, a colossal predator that prowled the land around 45 million years ago. This mammalian behemoth, often described as the largest land predator of its time, had a skull that stretched nearly a meter long. Imagine a creature with the ferocity of a wolf, combined with the power of a bear. Andrew's Arcus had a set of powerful jaws and sharp teeth that could crush bone, making it an apex predator among the mammals of its era. Its large size and fearsome build allowed it to dominate its environment and prey on anything it could catch. Andrew's Arcus was built for power and aggression, with strong limbs and a robust body that made it an efficient hunter. Its powerful bite force and muscular build enabled it to tackle large prey with ease, ensuring its place at the top of the food chain. Picture a predator with the capability to hunt and overpower almost anything it encountered, a true terror of the ancient world. The sheer scale and strength of Andrew's Arcus would make any modern predator look small and insignificant. Travel back to the late Permian period, and you'll encounter Gorgonops, a predator that could make even the fiercest dinosaur seem tame. This ancient beast had a set of long, saber-like teeth and a muscular build that allowed it to hunt large prey with ease. Gorgonops was an apex predator of its time, capable of taking down creatures much larger than itself. Its sharp teeth and powerful jaws made it one of the most efficient killers of the Permian era. Gorgonops had a sleek, powerful body that allowed it to chase down and subdue its prey with terrifying efficiency. Its long, curved teeth were ideal for slicing through flesh and bone, ensuring that its meals were quickly dispatched. Imagine a creature with the predatory prowess of a modern big cat, but scaled up to monstrous proportions. The sheer agility and strength of Gorgonops made it a formidable predator in its ancient habitat. Next, we have Purosaurus, a gigantic crocodilian that prowled the ancient rivers of South America during the Miocene epoch. Picture a crocodile that could grow up to 41 feet long, with a bite force powerful enough to crush the bones of its prey. Purosaurus was a fearsome predator in its aquatic habitat, preying on large fish and other creatures that ventured too close to its jaws. Its massive size and powerful bite made it one of the most dangerous animals of its time. Purosaurus had a robust, heavily armored body that was perfectly adapted for life in the water, making it a relentless hunter of the prehistoric rivers. Its enormous jaws were capable of delivering crushing blows to its prey, ensuring that it could overpower even the largest of aquatic animals. Imagine a predator so large and powerful that nothing in its environment could escape its grasp. The sheer size and strength of Purosaurus made it a dominant force in its habitat. If you think the oceans were safe, think again. Plesiosaurus, also known as the Predator X, was a marine reptile that ruled the Jurassic seas. With a skull measuring nearly 10 feet and a bite force 4 times stronger than a T-Rex, Plesiosaurus was a dominant predator of its time. Its large size and powerful jaws allowed it to prey on other marine reptiles and large fish with ease. Plesiosaurus had a streamlined body that made it an agile and efficient hunter, capable of reaching speeds that allowed it to outpace and outmaneuver its prey. Its formidable dentition and massive bite force made it a top predator in the ancient oceans, where it reigned supreme. Imagine a marine reptile so powerful that it could deliver crushing blows to its prey and dominate its environment. The sheer scale and power of Plesiosaurus made it an apex predator of the seas. As if all that wasn't scary enough already, the largest Plesiosaurus specimens had a bite force estimated to be over 10 tons. Moving on to Basilosaurus, a prehistoric whale that lived around 40 million years ago. This enormous marine predator had a serpentine body that could reach up to 60 feet in length, making it one of the largest whales of its time. Basilosaurus had sharp teeth and powerful jaws that allowed it to hunt large fish and other marine mammals. Its size and predatory skills made it a dominant force in the ancient oceans. Basilosaurus was built for speed and agility, with a long, slender body that allowed it to chase down and capture its prey with efficiency. Its powerful bite and impressive size made it one of the most formidable predators of its era. Imagine a whale so large and powerful that it could easily overpower and consume anything it encountered. The sheer size and strength of Basilosaurus made it a true giant of the ancient seas. Next, let's dive into the world of Thalatoarchon, a giant ichthyosaur that roamed the Triassic seas. With a length of up to 30 feet and large, knife-like teeth, Thalatoarchon was an apex predator that could take down prey almost as large as itself. Its powerful jaws and streamlined body made it a fearsome hunter of the ancient oceans. Thalatoarchon had an impressive set of dentition, with large, serrated teeth designed for gripping and tearing its prey. Its agility and speed made it a swift and efficient predator, capable of outmaneuvering its prey in the water. Imagine a marine reptile with the power and grace of a modern dolphin, combined with the predatory skill of a shark. The sheer efficiency and power of Thalatoarchon made it a dominant force in its environment. As if all that wasn't scary enough already, the largest Thalatoarchon specimens had teeth over 10 inches long. Enter the world of Smilodon, commonly known as the saber-toothed tiger, a fearsome predator that roamed the earth during the Pleistocene epoch. This iconic creature had long, curved canine teeth that could grow up to 11 inches long, making it one of the most formidable predators of its time. Smilodon had a muscular build and powerful forelimbs that allowed it to tackle and subdue large prey. Its impressive dentition and strength made it a top predator in its environment. Smilodon was built for power and precision, with long, sharp canines that could deliver lethal bites to its prey. Its strong limbs and robust body made it an efficient hunter, capable of bringing down large herbivores with ease. Imagine a predator with the power and agility of a big cat, combined with the lethal bite of a saber-toothed tiger. The sheer strength and predatory skill of Smilodon made it a true terror of the ancient world. As if all that wasn't scary enough already, the largest Smilodon specimens had canines measuring over a foot in length. Finally, let's meet Entelodon, also known as the Terminator pig. This fearsome omnivore roamed the Earth during the Eocene to Miocene epochs, with a massive, muscular body and large, crushing jaws. Entelodon could consume almost anything, from plants to other animals, making it a versatile and dangerous predator. Picture a creature with the build of a giant pig, but with a powerful bite and aggressive nature. Entelodon's sheer size and strength made it one of the most intimidating animals of its time, capable of overpowering almost anything in its path. Its fearsome appearance and dietary habits made it a true terror of the prehistoric world. And there you have it, some of the most terrifying creatures that ever roamed our planet, each one scarier than the last. Next time you watch a dinosaur movie, just remember, there were creatures out there that would have made even the T-Rex run for cover. Thanks for joining us. Stay curious, stay safe, and maybe double-check before taking a dip in the ocean. You never know what's lurking beneath. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.